In this video you will learn how to connect the Oculus Quest 2 to your PS5. Power on your PS5 and Oculus Quest 2. Turn on both devices and make sure they're ready for setup. Use a capture card or HDMI adapter. Since PS5 does not officially support the VR headset like Quest 2, you'll need a capture card or HDMI adapter to bridge the full connection. Connect the PS5 to the capture card. Plug in your PS5 HDMI output into the capture card input, then connect the capture card to your PC. Install the Oculus Link software on your PC. Download and install the Oculus app on your PC, then enable the Oculus Link. Connect the Quest 2 to your PC. Use a compatible USB-C cable or Air Link to connect your headset with your PC and Oculus software. Stream your PS5 gameplay in the Oculus Quest 2. Run your capture card feed on your PC, then use the Oculus Link or Air Link to view your PS5 gameplay inside your Quest 2. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to connect your Oculus Quest 2 to your PS5.